Profile is designed for a two-sided manual knife sharpener. It's a universal tool sharpening device entirely developed in Russia. Since 2012, the Russian engineers improved and modified its components. Now, being on the same level with most famous manufacturers of such devices, the Profile has its advantages due to high-strength parts and components integrated in a massive body. It is equally beneficial for both initial coarse hone and final edge refinement. Extreme sharpness of edge angles in the Profile is achieved, on the one hand, by stable knife location in clamps. On the other, the greatest accuracy of execution of sharpener's moving parts. The main priority is the convenience of the user. There are several advantages of the Profile over other similar sharpening devices. All bearing parts in the base of the Profile aren't made of plastic but of metal. They are durable and reliable, made in the best traditions of Ijev's gunsmith. The device comes with a steel or granite stand weighing 7 pounds. Due to its mass, it easily replaces Chinese suction cups and even clamps. During its work, the sharpener can be placed anywhere on the table without any restrictions. The Profile works not only with the stones and aluminum plate from the Apex system, but also with diamond bench stones in different sizes, as well as with any stones that can be set on the clamping plate. It is acceptable to install almost any abrasive tools up to the files. This greatly enhances the user experience. The guide bar is made of steel and not susceptible to deformation. For decades, your stone will withstand a specified angle. The retractable telescopic unit has 2 levels of regulation, making it more compact in height and at the same time providing smooth angle adjustment. The control bar of the protector indicates angle of the abrasive relative to the original reference plane. Along with the Profile, you can also buy the electronic goniometer, errors of which are a few tenths of a degree to make more careful measurements. Because the Profile provides measurement platforms for the protector at key points. The sliding pair of the high-precision hinge joint is similar to a guide bush valve in a car engine and has a comparable resource. Although with the Profile you can sharpen knives with a magnetic assembly like in other devices. The main advantage is the gripping jaws, which hold a blade in the same position during sharpening. To start sharpening the other side, there is no need to remove a blade from the jaws. The whole unit is easily rotatable by 180 degrees and fixed at the same angle. The Profile has single jaws for small knives, double jaws for long kitchen knives, and particular double jaws for thin fillet knives with a razor sharpening angle. The jaws are the pride of the Profile's engineers. They tighten a blade with parallel sides as well as wedge-shaped knives. Knives are designed by the 3-triangle principle. Thin, delicate jaws made from hardened alloy spring steel work with a minimum razor sharpening angle up to 30 degrees, and the clamping force can reach 200 pounds like in a vise. For the Profile, there is also a device for sharpening scissors and instruments with large blade angles. After purchasing the Profile, you only have to buy necessary sets of bench stones, which should be replaced once they begin to wear. As for the Profile, it will serve you for a long time, helping to achieve the desired goals for a very long time because it is reliable as a Kalashnikov.